Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, if I can mention item number 5, my lord. Item 5.
Look at the matter, we have no objection.
Item 5 and 9. My friend is appearing for 9. These matters, my lord, are for hearing. I am for the respondent, Lokaita. If matters could be taken next week, my lord, if that is convenient. 5 and 9. Connected matter. Similar matters.
These are essentially complaints.
Yes, my lord.
Complaint before the Lokaita.
Yes,
you are the complainant. Yes, I'm the complainant. And matter has not proceeded.
No. So complaints have been disposed of in a certain way. Against the disposal orders, petitioners have come.
Okay. It's with regard to the power of the investigating agency.
Amongst other grounds. There are item 5, about 6 grounds have been taken. Item 9, 7 grounds have been taken, including the power of the investigating officer.
So, next week. You're appearing for?
Number 5, my lord, I am for respondent number 5 for number 2 and 3.
Respondent 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
And
number 9 for 1 and 2. Respondents.
Mr. General and Counsel for the respondent 2 and 3 has sought for accommodation on grounds of personal difficulty. Receive not be objected to by the petitioner. Matter is adjourned. This is same after 1 week. Agatuka 9, right? You are in 9. You are
1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2. Same order, but
Same.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item 11. Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. The conducting counsel is on leave, Your Lordship.
My lord, I'm for the state. I have no objections.
what is this matter about?
Your Lordship, this is a 482 matters pertaining to the POXO case, Your Lordship.
For quashing of the...
For quashing of.
But why has it come before this court?
No, my lord, earlier Justice Bachari was taking up the matter when he was...
It was recused by him.
Lordship.
On premier by the petitioner. Let's this matter up to 3 weeks.
Right.
From the list, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship, is it 4-8?
Case diary has come. My lord, kindly have a look at the case diary.
Just let him, at least let him begin his, or rather start his submission.
Well, this is a matter,
Anticipatory bail.
it's anticipatory bail, my lord, where we have corrected it, my lord. We have moved under 438 and we have corrected it, my lord. In the new act, my lord, after the order falls for my lord, then we have corrected. Well, what happened in this case, my lord? There's a bonded warehouse, my lord. And the owner of the bonded warehouse, because of her busy schedule, she has given a power of attorney to me. And then I was running the warehouse, my lord. Then on 2018, my lord, that power of attorney was revoked. She desired to run by herself, my lord. And I was asked to supervise without any financial power. She was handling everything. Now, my lord, then I opted to leave the job, my lord. And then she has given me an NOC. NOC is in page 48, my lord. If my lord may kindly come to produce. Page 48, my lord. Annexure 4, my lord.
Yes.
This is to certify that Mr. Gopal Kishan Gaur, the petitioner, my lord, has no liabilities or dues towards the business that is Mrs. So-and-so bonded warehouse and officially released from all of his duty, my lord. And there was no liabilities against of me, my lord. They have given me a clean sheet that there was no liabilities and all. So I left, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, they have asked me to also swear an affidavit and give an agreement, my lord, that if there is any liability cropped up, my lord, from the government side, then I should pay that, my lord, and I have given that, my lord. That is on page 44, my lord. "45, my lord. No, not 45, my lord. Page 54, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. Page 54. "54, my lord. If my lord may kindly produce, my lord, 5th paragraph, my lord.
54.
55. 54, my lord, and 55 is the relevant page. 5th para, my lord. And whereas the second party is no longer in a position to run the said business due to the other preoccupation with his own business elsewhere, hence after the expiry of the aforesaid agreement, he has handed over the said business in a good and serviceable condition back to the first party, who has also cleared all his dues and liabilities toward the said business on payment of the remaining sum as had been agreed upon by both the parties, receipt of which is being acknowledged by the first party in the separate sheet. And whereas the first party accordingly released the second party from all the dealings with the said business, and the first party further declared that she has no further claim whatsoever from the second party in connection with the said business in future, my lord. Now, this was also an agreement signed between me and the owner of the bonded warehouse, my lord. Now, my lord, subsequently what happened? An FIR was filed. That is on page 56, my lord. Now, my lord, we can see the second para of the FIR. In the year 2021, September month, he has handed over the control of the warehouse to me, stating that all the government dues are cleared and the remaining stock is in the godown. However, later I learned from that excise duty amounting to crores of rupees is due to the government and the godown was empty. He had misappropriated all the money which are due, and he has left from Meghalaya and his whereabouts are unknown. Further, he has transferred huge amount of money from the bonded account to his and his other relatives' account. I seriously doubt that there is a doubt, my lord, that he has also forged my signature. Now I am not being able to contact him, and he has properly changed his mobile number. The above act of so and so amount to cheating, misappropriation, fraud, forgery, and stealing, and also cheating a person belonging to ST. To the best of my knowledge and understanding, that Sri so and so is liable and answerable to all the pays, liable, and dues, my lord. Now, my lord, she has already given me a clean sheet. Subsequently, after 3 years, my lord, she says there is a huge amount of money which I am supposed to pay to the department, my lord. Now, my lord, may kindly see page 60, my lord. Page 60 is the register which is maintained, and that we have to submit every month, my lord, to the excise department. And this, my lord, the excise officer will tally whether the stock is correct or not, my lord. And my lord, may peruse that the first page 60, my lord, is August 2021, my lord. I left, and September I left, my lord. So August 2021, this was the stock, my lord, where in the bonded warehouse. These are the stocks, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, may kindly see page 62, my lord. Page 63, my lord. 63. The opening stock, my lord. These are the numbers, my lord. 750 ml 00, and then all this number goes, my lord. And there is a signature of the person who was running the show along with the excise department, my lord. So the claim of the complainant, my lord, that the warehouse was empty, that doesn't appear so, my lord, because the stock was there, my lord. Now, let me kindly see one more agreement that I have given to her. That where is it? Page 52, my lord. 52, my lord. Before the agreement that I have read, my lord, before that both of us, she has discharged me from the job. Before that, I have given an agreement, deed of agreement, 6th October 2023, my lord. I have given an agreement. And in this agreement, my lord, I said, the last two paragraphs, my lord. Whereas it has been expressly agreed between the parties that in near future, if any pending dues, tax, loan, other financial transaction which is due against the above named so-and-so bonded warehouse during the business transaction operation of the second party, that is from February 2004 till 31st day of August 2021, my lord. So I was there till August 2021, and I have shown, my lord, that the register of the bonded warehouse, it was not empty, my lord. The stock was there. Now, my lord, from 2004 to 2021, my lord, I say that if anything is there, I am ready to pay till today, my lord. But they have to give me in black and white, my lord, that this is the tax that you need to pay. I am ready to pay, and I am ready to undertake before this honorable court. If there is any official tax which I am supposed to pay, my lord, for this period, my lord, I am ready to pay, my lord. Now, my lord, even after giving this, my lord, she has lodged an FIR. That also, my lord, she has realized after 3 years, my lord. 2021, and the FIR has been lodged in 2024, my lord. After 3 years, my lord. Now, my lord, what is her intention, that we don't know, my lord, of lodging this FIR. But, my lord, I undertake before this honorable court, my lord, that if there is any government due, my lord, till date, my lord, they could not produce that these are the amount which you are supposed to clear. Excise department has not made any demand, my lord. That is that we came to know from the excise department, because every year, my lord, the license of the excise department of the bonded warehouse is renewed, my lord. That license is every year it is going, my lord. Till now it is not closed down because of non-payment of dues or tax, my lord. So that is not the case, my lord. Here, for what reason, my lord? She knows the best, my lord, for what reason she has lodged the FIR. But we are ready to cooperate with the IO, and moreover, my lord, we have appeared before the IO after the order has fallen from this honorable court. We have given a write-up, and we have given all the documents, my lord, before the IO. And we have also undertaken before the IO, my lord. The IO has received, my lord. This is the original copy. We have also undertaken before the IO, my lord, that whenever we are required to be present before the court, we'll be present, my lord.
My lord, we have to verify whether he has actually appeared before the IO, because our instructions are that he was absconding. The case diary is produced before my lord. So he was absconding, and in fact, his brother said that he was in Rajasthan, and then the police went to Rajasthan. Rajasthan police was contacted, who went to his house. His son said that he was in Hyderabad, and no proper address was given. So, till my last instructions, this is what has happened, and we have the case diary. The communication that has come from the Rajasthan police, all of that is part of record. If my lord may have page 59 of the case diary.
As of today, my lord, he was before the IO, my lord. The signature of the IO is there, my lord.
When did you appear for the IO?
When? The date is written there, my lord. Date is written.
Where?
Well, probably the sign of the IO, my lord, BR Marak something. 4th or 5th, my lord, we was there.
This is your statement.
Second 9/2024, my lord, we was before the IO, my lord. Page number 6, if my lord may kindly see, this is the date, my lord, that we have gone, appeared, and the IO has received the copy also, my lord. Okay. The second IO.
Today is
Today is 11, my lord.
11.
Well, on 3rd of
And
September,
this-
we have received case
This is
diary.
this is the this is the latest status report.
Well, we received it on 3rd of September.
Just a moment.
I'm sorry, in fact, 4th of September is when we have received this. The date is also mentioned at top.
Just a moment. Let
Yeah.
me read. Yes, Mr. Day.
My lord.
See, this is the report of the IO
My lord.
as on 4th September.
My lord.
You said you have appeared on
Second.
second.
Yes, my lord.
But this statement is very clear
My lord.
that till date, that is till the 4th,
My lord.
the accused person could not be contacted, or either he has appeared at the PS.
IO signature is there, my lord. And
This-
the CD.
this
CD
This is the IO report.
yeah, but this is also a signed copy of the IO, my lord. How he can say that?
Whether,
Moreover, my lord.
whether you have given your statement before the IO.
Yes, my lord. This is the paper that I have submitted before the IO, my lord.
This is your writing.
Yes, yes.
So what is the where is the,
161. 161 is recorded, my lord.
it should be where is it here, Miss? Huh?
Well, it's not
He
there.
says his statement under 161 has been recorded.
Well, we'll again contact the
Your
IO.
report
Yeah,
says otherwise.
that's right.
That is the instruction that I have, my lord. Since the council was present on that day, my lord.
We may be given a copy of the statement that he's relying upon. We'll verify.
See, Mr. D, I'll show you this report.
My lord, my lord.
Look at this marking here. B2. And this is the report dated 4th.
What I have been instructed, my lord, he was present on that day. If it is required, my lord, we will be present within 2 days. We will be present again.
Now, what we are, see, if what the prosecution,
And my lord may kindly see, my lord may kindly peruse the signature, my lord. The same person, how we can give this kind of report, my lord? If required, my lord, we will be present tomorrow, my lord, before the IO again.
Miss Anand, you get the latest instruction.
The same person, how
Well,
we can...
you
we may
see-
kindly be given a copy of the statement. It would be easier to verify.
Yes, why not? Give a copy. No?
My lord, I will Xerox and I will give it to you,
We'll take up this matter tomorrow.
my lord.
That has to be correct. If you have appeared,
My lord.
the court may consider your prayer.
My
Well,
lord,
if it can be taken the day after tomorrow instead of tomorrow. I'm traveling tomorrow.
let it be on Monday then, my lord. Day after tomorrow, I am not free, my lord. Let it be on Monday, my lord. Let the interim order be continued, my lord, on Monday, my lord.
I'll pray made by parties. Let this matter on Monday.
My lord.
In the meantime, the interim relief given to the petitioner will continue until the next date fixed.
My lord. Highly.
Item number 2.
Before you Who's here?
My lords. My lords, I have a letter from the SP, the case diary, and the required documents as asked for, required by my lords, is present with the court below.
But who's appearing for the petitioner?
Who's the petitioner? No, they generally appear online.
They appear online, Lordship.
Who's there?
Lordship, if we may.
Where's the online appearance?
Okay.
Oh.
And the information is behind, my lord. This letter is addressed to us, Lordship. However, for the perusal of the court, we're just submitting a copy, my lord.
But where's the copies of the case diary and others?
It's with the court now, my lord. It's been charge sheeted.
It is with the court. No. The trial court, you mean?
Trial court, Lordship.
Is there any order directed by this court for production of this?
The last order, my lords. The last order. My lord had directed us to provide it, but now it's with the court.
So, my lord, at this juncture, Lordship, because the counsel for the applicant is not here, I pray for just some time so that we will be able to ask for an extract copy from the court, Lordship. Because as per the directions of this court, we have not yet been able to take it up because the records are not with the PI anymore, with the IO.
Whatever the case may be, you are the prosecution.
Lordship, my lord. However, this is just to inform this honorable court, Lordship. That is, this letter is actually between us and the IO, Lordship. But just for the information of this honorable court, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. However, Miss Angela additional Senior GA has submitted that copies of the case diary and relevant materials pertaining to this case may be allowed to be produced on the next date fix. Accordingly, as prayed for, this matter on Monday.
Lordship, because it's with the court, Lordship, so it takes more time, my lord. If kindly a week, Lordship.
This is matter of 1 week.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Please, Your Lordship, before we proceed for hearing, Your Lordship, in the last occasion, I informed the court that this the position of the survival and the complainant is completed, but when I check it from the record, it's not yet completed. It's still only section 161 and 164 is completed.
What is the stage of the case?
Now it's framing of charge is it's completed, and now it's for the position of witness.
But no witnesses have been examined.
Not yet.
Who is appearing for the? Why would the survivor be made a party?
Lordship?
Why is the survivor made a party? See, more often than not, it would be the complaint. And complaint would be filed by the parents or some, elder. But the survivor, if more so, you see, in a POXO case, would be a minor. Why have you made her a party? I don't think it's necessary.
In that case, we will.
Because you see, what happened is we should not involve the survivor in unnecessary proceedings. As you very well know, you see, survivors, if a sexual assault has been perpetrated upon them, would have, endured a traumatic experience, and more so, courts are supposed to be sensitive to the issue,
Yes, I'm bound
to shield them from any exposure, unnecessary exposure. Now making them a party here means they have to appear.
Lordship is absolutely correct.
But Your Lordship, in the last, in some last bill application also, we have made the same format for the.
Oh, true. But then you see,
But we will amend for that if Your Lordship permit.
does mean that we committed
Yes.
mistake in the past. We continue to commit the same.
There's something called wisdom, Lordship. It comes with time and age.
We have to be sensitive.
The Lordship is absolutely correct.
Then I will just.
I request my friends even in future, whenever they do, at least. So that the proceedings are not delayed. What the intention of the court is this: don't unnecessarily delay. Once party has been made, it becomes slightly difficult.
Have you effected notice upon this?
Yes, we have sent it.
File your affidavit of service.
We have given the service.
Have you filed?
We have not tracked that service, but
You have not.
not yet. We have not.
So we don't know whether they have accepted received notice or not.
Not yet.
We are at the stage then.
We are at the stage of
Confirmation.
and that can happen only through an affidavit brought on record.
Exactly.
Absolutely. That's a normal thing that this court does always, Lordship.
So you do that.
Okay, Your Lordship, then at the same time I will amend the cost title. At the same time I will do that.
We have no objection.
Just cut it off.
Just cut it.
Just take a pen and cut it.
With the permission of the court, of course.
Actually, you take fresh steps on the respondent too, then.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the notice, that the service report, as far as the notice issued upon the respondent 2 and 3 respectively, has not yet been received. It is prayed that fresh notice may be allowed to be issued upon the respondents. However, it is also the submission of the learned counsel that the respondent 4, who is the survivor, may not be allowed to be involved in these proceedings, since the complainant would stand in her stead. Accordingly, on pre-admit, the name of the respondent 4 is struck off from this proceedings.
Respondent of 3.
Sorry, respondent 3. Petitioner to take necessary steps. Petitioner is allowed to take necessary steps for amendment of the cost title in the form of striking off of the name of the respondent number 3.
Yes.
You take first step then?
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
So we've done with the orders part. Now only the hearing. Any hearing to be conducted? I have to ask the party. Otherwise, you'll come later and say we are not ready. We are not
We
prepared.
have item number 7 also is hearing.
You're prepared with item 7
Yes, we are prepared.
and 6.
6, my lord, it's not that urgent, my lord. It may be taken up at any day. After 2 weeks or so, my lord. My friend is here.
So we'll relieve you for the time being. Is this matter connected with the one with in the?
That pertains.
matter, yes.
This pertains to the first inquiry, and in that first inquiry, I've been exonerated from all the charges, and then I was reinstated back.
Okay.
Now this is the second inquiry.
So
Let it come up.
Appeal is pending.
you want to
After
go?
1
You want to
week,
go
my-
slow on this?
Yes. After 2 weeks also. No urgency.
Katuka 6 more on pre-made by the parties. This is matter of 2 weeks.
Yes. Operation.
Hello, please.
What about 10?
Eight and 10, Lordship.
Yeah, then our connected, Lordship.
I think we've been stalling this matter for quite some time. Why?
Lordship, today both the matters are being listed. Today.
Yes. So Mr. Owner,
Lordship, we can take it up today, I'll watch.
fine.
Otherwise, but then, I think so, Mr. Titi Dane was on leave, Lordship. If I'm not mistaken.
His colleague is there.
Yes.
So we'll see. Vincent.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
Your Lordship may please pick the matter after 3 weeks.
Who's the connecting counsel?
Dr. P. Agarwal, Your Lordships.
on pre-meet with the appellant. This is matter to 4 weeks.
Highly obliged, Your Lordships.
Daily list item number 1.
Yes.
This matter, my lord, the state is in appeal before your lordship. But one issue, my lord, is there, my lord, that Justice Bhattacharjee has represented the state on earlier occasion at page 134, my lord.
Yes, that is why the name seemed very familiar.
So he'll be the best person who can understand the case.
Yes.
Having been there and here, what's your complaint then? This matter without one of us, Justice Bhattacharjee.
Obliged, Your Lordships. Item number 3. Item number 7.
May please your lordship.
May please lordship. For my little senior thoughts, lordship, this matter can be taken up on summer, dear lordship. My conduct counsel, Mr. Subhashis said, lordship, is on legs before the court number 1, lordship. Court number 1. He's reading the matter, lordship, and the brief is also with him, lordship.
I think this we have proceeded further than what is apparent here. As far as the NIT is concerned, that is over.
NIT concerned, it is over, my lord, because the job, the work has been allotted, but we were told that it's yet to complete. But that
project's not yet completed.
Project is not yet completed. But the crux of the matter is, my lord, because the SPV and the Supreme Court's directions are very clear that why these funds, why special was meant, is for the development of within 50 meters of the project area. Now, the SPV manual itself very clearly says that these funds will not be used for PWD, repairing of PWD roads. Now, this money has been used, diverted for use of this, for use of the repair of the PWD road, my lord. So, yes.
Have you stated that in your
yes, we have stated. Yes, we have stated.
Have they countered that?
My lord, they have basically they have counter to the maintainability of the writ petitions, my lord. They have not countered specific, and because subsequently also, and after the inspection, my lord, after the inspection we have submitted the report also, my lord. And and the second point was that, my lord, this fund has been deliberately done in order to facilitate some other person whom they wanted to favor. Why I said so? Because this was only for cleaning, and it's just for the cleaning and maintenance, my lord. And there's a fraction of works which can be easily done under SPV fund, but they have clubbed all the works together in a manner to increase the tender value.
So you see, what we have to do, we have to distinguish what would fall under the purview of the SPV.
Yes, my lord.
And what would be outside.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if the PWD department, if while progressing with the work, or while employing whoever contractor, for the repairing or construction or whatever is required for the work, the fund use is can be appropriated from the fund of the SPV, or it cannot be.
Yes, that is the issue left. And the second part is also, my lord, we have submitted, because we have a committee. There's a committee formed under the SPV only, my lord. So the committee has submitted a list of things that has to be used for development of the villages around, my lord. And I would say that, my lord, 80% has not been complied with. They have not used. They have not requested. They have not. I'm sorry. They have not adhered to our request, my lord, because the committee is formed for that purpose only, my lord.
What is the mandate of the SPV?
The mandate of the SPV, my lord, is to, my lord, this I'll just show.
Yes, it includes only infrastructure, repairing of roads, or
no, my lord. The SPV is meant for development of health, education, economy, irrigation, and agriculture, my lord. These are the mandates of the SPV, my lord. These are the. Now, when we talk about, therefore, construction of the new roads, my lord.
Ancillary, activities, not infrastructure as such.
No, my lord. When we talk about the roads, my lord, it can be, but it should not be. It's a village road connecting from one village to another, or making of footpaths from villages. These are the within. This will come within a mandate of the SPV, my lord, but not diverting into the government fund, my lord, because this fund is generated on the principle of polluter pays policy.
Yes, of course.
So that is a thing, my lord. So anyway, my lord, if my friend is not ready today, we can, but then it's been pending for quite some time. That's the only thing. Or if they can come very clearly with an instruction that from where this money has been used, we might not have to argue on merit also.
You get those instructions.
Yes, we might
Lordship,
not have to.
today I'm a bit handicapped, Lordship.
As of now, I think see, the crux of the matter would be to decide on the apportionment of fund from where you have appropriated it.
Yes.
And if you say that it is your fund,
yes,
then we'll have to examine.
Yes, yes.
But if it has been appropriated from the fund of the SPV, which is not meant for such purpose, then that's a difference.
Yes.
Only thing, see, at the end of the day, we will, I think all the parties would not come in the way of development.
Yes, yes, that's true.
You see, the construction or repairing of the road is meant for development of
it's for the
of
development
the area,
of the
and for the benefit of the residents.
Yes.
Lordship.
So it could just be a question of adjustment. It could just be a question of compensation, so on and so forth.
Lordship.
I think nothing material is.
Yes, if they can just bring on record, then the matter ends there only, my lord.
So, Mr. Karolang, you do that.
Lordship.
At least you've understood the
Lordship, I understood the crux, Lordship. But if on the next day I can, if I'll get the instructions and I can brief the court accordingly.
Mr. Karolang, that additional CAG has sought for time to seek instruction from the relevant authorities as far as the authorities with regard to the utilization of the funds for the, is it a project?
It's a project, my lord.
Is that project? Whether, but it is your contention that the fund was
diverted from the SPV fund for repair of the PWD road.
I'm not going to the issue. So I wait for seeking of instructions. So, premium this is matter up to 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I'll reframe that order and see.
Madam, obliged.
Item number 8.
Yes, Mr. Karona.
Yes, Lord.
What is required to be taken up first? I'm told that out of these two,
connected, Lordship, but also a bit handicapped since the Mr. Subhashi Sen is also leading this matter, Lordship, and he's still held up before the on legs before the court number 1, Lordship.
2 weeks then. Mr. H. Karona, Leonard additional CNG has sought for accommodation in this matter on the ground that the Leonard is also additional GA, additional senior GA, Mr. Sen.
No, Lordship, he's government RFK, Lordship.
Leonard GA, Mr. SN is indisposed for the day. Our conducting counsel on premium. This is matter for 2 weeks.
Lordship,
same order 10.
10, Lordship.